Hello everyone, welcome to the course Introduction to the Web Design. Here now is represented by Sambat Sray. This video is just focused on for you if you want to start your career or you want to start your basics of the web design. In this video, you're gonna learn about how to build a website. And for the first chapter is in the introduction to the web design, so you're gonna know about how the website worked and what is the component of the website. What is website? So there's two types of website and web application. So in the normal form of the website, like in the Wikipedia or the blog or something, those we call a website. It means that it is show the information and it is a kind of a content provider. You only go there to read the information that the websites provide you. And another type of website is called web application. For this type of web application is a kind of application and it provides interactivity and also a dynamics one. For example, like in Facebook is a web application, and there you can see many posts from your friends, and also you can do searching, you can chatting, you can search the posts, you can posting, you can do a lot of more things. It means that in the site you can do many activities that we call interactivity. So what is the component of the website? It means that what technology that we use to build a website. There are three main technology to build up a website. They are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So each of them have a different parts, a different function to build up a website. HTML is a hypertext markup language. This is used to make up a website. It means that a website built from each part. I give an example as a human body. It's like we have the bone. HTML is just the bone, like the bone of hand, two hands, two legs, the bone of the body, the neck and the head. So when you have the sample of the body of the human, it looks like just the bone. So you need the flesh, you need the color, you need hair, you need the size, you need the height, you need the weight. To fill up this, we use the CSS to decorate and mark up to look more vibrant. So the CSS is stand for Cascade Style Sheet. After you already decorate your website to a good look, but your website does not provide interactivity, as I give example like Facebook application. So you can make a chat, you can search, you can move things. It's some items can fly or something like that. So we use JavaScript to make the website more interactivity. This is just the basics. You just know the concept that these three technologies is the main technology to build up the website. So how the website work? Before you can know the scenario that the website works, you have to know the terms of browser, server, client and how browser render HTML as display. So what is browser? So I leave the slide and you go to the browser directly. This is the browser. These all are browsers. We have different types of browser. I'm using now is Brave browser, and we have Internet Explorer, and we have Google Chrome, a lot of things. So the purpose of browser is to browse, to search the website. Like we go to Google, we go to yahoo.com or something. So the function of the browser is to make requests to the server, like the term of the server, the client. So For example, this is the server and this is the client. The client, it means the computer that the user using. So right now this client install the browser inside, for example Google Chrome. So when you type, like I said, google.com, it means the client is asking the browser to make a request to the google.com server. See, when the make request asks to the server just responds with the display, this kind of display. That is the result of request. So I mean the client requests to the server of Google, and then Google responds back what we want, like the interface, like the search box, the search button, or something like this. But you have to know that the server does not respond this kind of display. The server responds back with this component: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But why we see this? Why don't we see these things? Because the server responds of these things. This is the function of the browser. The browser take this three technology, this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then convert into the display as we can see. So let's see the real side of it. As in the browser, I can do this. We say we new peg source. Here, these are the code contain HTML and JavaScript that the Google respond. So when the Google respond this, the browser read all of this and then convert into this. They read this. The browser read this code, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then return into the display as we can see. This is the scenario of how the website works. So to revise back, the component on the website, there are three: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML used to markup, as I compare in the example, as a human body. So CSS used to make style for the component, the markup, to look more vibrant, and JavaScript used to programming used to make a website have more interactivity. And the scenario of how the client as a user do browsing or do searching on the internet is that the client install the browser, and then when we type google.com or facebook.com, each of those websites they have their own server that they stand for response when the client requests the website. So the browser make a request to the server respond back these three components: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then browser get these three, they convert these three text code into the display as we can see like this. Well, as we can see like this, it's not like this. Actually it is like this when they respond, but the browser read this and they convert for us like this. So this is the first video that it's just the introduction to the web design. I hope you like this video and you can understand. If you don't understand or you have any question, please write down the question under this video with the comment section. Thank you very much.